What's going on, everybody? This is the Toro Timecutter Max with MyRide, the 2024 edition. Just picked this up last week at Tractor Supply. I had made a previous video of my review of the overall lawnmower. First zero turn that I've ever owned. However, I've drove zero turns in the past for a landscaper. This machine is excellent, as I had mentioned in my previous video, but I wanted to show you guys how to install the hour meter. So what we have right here, this is the hour meter. I got it offline on Amazon. Flip it the right way. So this is the make and model of it. I'll provide the link downstairs or down in the description. In regards to the hour meter itself, so this is it right here. You can hit the button and check for oil change, and then shows you the hourglass and then the hours that you've accrued. I just got this, so I'm about to install it. In regards to the actual installation itself, there's plastic around this right here that you will just have to cut out with a razor blade, and then I took a file and then just filed down this inner edge, and as soon as I did that, I was able to slide the hour meter directly down in. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your black wire is on this side where this prong is sticking out. You will not be utilizing that prong. The wiring harness already comes with a system, which is why it's ridiculous that Toro did not install an hour meter. They want you to pay $80 or $90 for one from them instead of getting this for $17 off of Amazon. So you can check based on the manufacturer how to install this, but I just know that you need to install it with the black wire and this prong on this side. I'm just gonna pop it in, and then after you file down this inner edge, you should just be able to push it on in there. Pretty simple. The harness is already there. The cutout, all you gotta do is cut the plastic away and pop that bad boy down in, nice and secure, not going anywhere. And then obviously you would just want to start up the mower, to make sure it's working. And if I take the phone and show you guys right there, hit the button, oil change, and so what you want to see is the hour meter start flashing, telling you that you're accruing time on your mower. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it up. Flare out these handles real quick. Okay. All right. Start it up. The hour meter gauge was flashing. That's how you know that you have it hooked up correctly. And again, this is the Toro Timecutter Max 54-inch deck with MyRide suspension system. Install of the hour meter. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm currently about to make another video of the mower because the control arms, when I put this into neutral like this, the control arms actually kick it into reverse. So when I'm in neutral, you hear the winding sound, which is not good for the transmissions. You want to make sure that you adjust it. So I'm trying to do my due diligence. I contacted Toro on how to adjust the control arm so that when I'm driving it, it actually goes straight rather than veering off to one side. With older models, you can find videos online on how to adjust them, but this is the 2024 one. So you want to make sure, you're obviously adjusting it correctly. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be uploading more videos on the Toro and lawn care and all in between. Thanks for watching.